The essence of life is to live, not to exist and to exit later without making any impact. Everybody is born into this world, but only a few rebuild themselves to be the best in their field. It takes extreme effort to get from ordinary to extraordinary and unlock your finest version. It is not for the mentally weak. It is for those who are ready to face the challenge and discomfort of the rebuilding process. The ability to purify oneself in the crucible of discipline is what divides the successful from the struggling, the fulfilled from the frustrated, the doubters from the go-getters, and the dreamers from the doers. The rebuild starts in your mind. It is a personal decision, and it is about restructuring and recreating the desired new you with a winning mindset and hunger for achievement. You can be anything you want to be once you make up your mind. But first, you must have a clear vision of who you want to become. Because if you are not resourceful, there is no benefit to your new version. Most people give their best in the transformation journey of self-reinvention. But old habits keep popping up because there is a difference between external motivations to rebuild and internal modifications to adjust. It is the difference between a temporary fix and a lasting change. The rebuilding and the restructuring have to come from within. Our brains are wired to seek efficiency in what we are already used to, and habits allow us to operate on autopilot. This is why we find ourselves slipping back into old habits so easily. They are deeply ingrained in our neural pathways. If you now want to reinvent yourself, there is a need to focus on internal modification, mental resilience, and emotional adjustment. The decision to rebuild is the crucial step. It is a declaration that you are ready for change. This moment, right here, right now, is your starting point. Embrace it with every fiber of your being. Know that the path ahead will challenge you, but it will also mold you into the strongest, most authentic version of yourself. The transformative journey comes with a total reformation. Imagine yourself at the start of something new, where the past no longer holds as much power and the future is full of possibility. This is a genuine, attainable reality, not just a dream. All you need is a well-defined plan, perseverance, and determination. The first step in any transformation is self-awareness. Examine yourself and take the time to reflect on your life. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? And what are my strengths? What are my passions? What are my values? Understanding who you are and what drives you is crucial. Your intention for a change has to internalize the process, and all the activities involved in the changing process have to be in sync before any noticeable effect can be seen. Consider your positives and negatives, as well as the aspects of your life that require reconstruction. The groundwork for your metamorphosis is laid by this sincere reflection. Don't forget that it is possible to find out the issue or lacking areas, but how to go about it may seem unclear. That is why you have to break down your aspirations into manageable steps. It is not enough to say, I want to be successful or I want to be happy. Define what success and happiness mean to you. Whether it is improving your health, advancing your career, building stronger relationships, or finding inner peace, you have to create a vision board. Write your goals down and review them daily. Nothing can deter a man from accomplishing his sincere desire, born out of his need to move out of an unprofitable lifestyle. And anything that pushes a man to the edge of shame and destruction will trigger a better life afterward, if there is a second chance to embrace a new life. Every step in the reinventing process has a specific goal to be accomplished, and this can only happen with a good plan. Without a good plan, self-rebuilding is just a wish. And without a destination, even the most determined individual can lose focus on the right direction of the journey. It is good to have a clear vision and a good plan, but taking action is a bold step towards transformation. Nothing happens without action. It is easy to get stuck in a cycle of overthinking, procrastination, and self-doubt. People often wait for the perfect moment, the right opportunity, or the ideal circumstances to make a change. But the truth is, there is no perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Action is what propels you forward, breaks the chains of inertia, and sets you on the path of growth and self-improvement. But taking action alone is not enough. It is persistence that will keep you going, especially when the going gets tough. Persistence is the fuel that drives our dreams, the force that pushes us to keep moving forward despite the obstacles in our path. It is the determination to rise each time we fall and to continue the climb even when the summit seems out of reach. Reinvention requires change, and change can be uncomfortable. Let go of the old habits, weakness, environment, and even people that hold you back. Surround yourself with positivity. Growth does not occur within the comfort area. Embrace the discomfort and step out into the unknown. Whether it is learning a new skill, changing careers, or relocating to a new place, be willing to take risks. It is in these moments of uncertainty that we find the greatest growth opportunities. Surround yourself with positivity, seek out mentors, join supportive communities, and immerse yourself in environments that nurture your growth. Positivity comes from a tenacious mind, ready to withstand anything that comes along the way with the unshakable mindset of success. The start of rebuilding sometimes alters the normal routine of individuals, and adjusting to this new phase can be stressful. Your mindset is a powerful tool. Cultivate a positive and resilient mindset. Surround yourself with positivity, people who uplift you, books that inspire you, an environment that energizes you. Every situation you encounter has a lesson to teach you, and lessons are merit-based. Therefore, you have to work for your advancement. Do not engage with people who try to penetrate your mind with unhelpful thoughts and ideas. Free yourself from all destructive doubts and fear. You can do it. Make yourself proud with your optimism. Feed your mind with an unstoppable force and train your body to withstand temporary pains and hardships. Rebuilding your life in 6 to 12 months is not just possible, it is within your reach. It demands commitment, courage, and a relentless pursuit of your dreams. As you stand on the brink of this new journey, remember that you hold the power to create the life you envision. Take that first step today. The power to transform your life lies within you. Believe in yourself and your vision. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Go forth and reinvent your life. Your future is waiting for you.